Welcome to Software Reliability Testing Training Crash Course Introductory Video, powered by Tonex.com. Software Reliability Testing Training course will cover proactive ways to use well-established systematic test planning and design techniques that generate value, not just busy work. Preemptive software testing allows you to offer better software in shorter amount of time by employing more efficient testing, while also producing the value that affects conventional user, manager, and developer opposition. Learn about fundamentals of software testing, verification and validation methodology, various software testing techniques, test elements usage, rule/scenario/case, software test management, different levels of software testing, general testing principles, test planning, static analysis techniques, test design techniques, using a risk-based approach to testing, managing the testing process, managing a test team, combining tools and automation to support software testing, risk analysis methods, software reliability, software testing terminology, levels of software testing, software testing techniques, black box methods, web testing, software test planning and documentation, defect management, test reporting, automation of software testing activities. Training objectives. Perform structured software testing model throughout the life cycle. Reduce time, effort, and stress for users, developers, and managers. Develop industry-accepted testing plans and designs to make testing simpler and more reliable. Apply several techniques to design comprehensive tests and explore dismissed conditions. Manage test performance, including evaluating, assigning resources and reporting flaws and status. Apply risk assessment and reusable tests to conduct more of the crucial testing in less time. Discuss the significance of corporate culture and the economics of test and failure. Learn well-established test planning methods and techniques. Learn how to generate a customized test plan or level-specific plans. Articulate the issues that impact the test strategy. Explore a realistic risk evaluation method to prioritize your tests. Articulate methods for measuring the test efficiency of their corporation. Generate a test summary report to efficiently suggest recommendations to stakeholders based on the knowledge obtained through the test effort. Course outline. Overview. Factors affecting software reliability. Software reliability models. Data required for models. Software reliability prediction models. Software reliability evaluation models. Software reliability metrics. Software fault trees. Software FMEAs. System reliability, software redundancy. Improving software reliability. Managing software reliability. How testing can cut effort and time. How to plan effective testing. Master testing plan. Detailed test planning. White box, structural testing. Integration/system/special test planning. Test design, both verb and noun. Maintenance and regression testing. Automated testing tools. Measuring and managing testing. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website www.tonex.com.